total waste of money. They say you get what you pay for, and I should have known when I bought this non-stick Springform baking pan for $8, less than half the price of what I've seen a lot of them sell for, that there must be something wrong. And there was. Some of you may have seen the video I made 2 or 3 weeks ago when I first bought this pan, saying how great it was. But after only a few times using it, the latch no longer stays shut. And there's no way I'm going to buy a more costly one, because who's to say the latch won't give out on that one too? What to do? So of course I checked on YouTube to see if there would be a video that shows how to fix it, because as we know on YouTube there's a video that shows you how to fix just about anything. There were a couple, but they required some special tools and drilling and screws and everything, and I didn't have those things, and plus I don't have the patience or the time to do anything like that. I had to find a quick fix. And here's a couple of the things I tried and what I finally came up with. So the first of the 3 things that I tried was using this garden wire. I just wrapped it all around the pan and then twisted it tightly over the latch, and that worked, except that it's a pretty tedious thing to do, so I scrapped that idea. And the next thing I came up with was using this butterfly clip, hoping that it would clip over the latch, but as you can see, it doesn't quite make it. I would probably need a much bigger one. But in the meantime, I found this clip. It is an all metal clip, and it goes all the way down and it grasps the latch firmly. And as far as the cake touching the inside of the clip, all I need do is to just put a piece of parchment paper over it and stick it on with some olive oil. It will stay put. Anyway, guys, there's another saying that goes, where there's a will, there's a way, and this was my way. And that is my quick fix. Please leave a comment if you've ever had a similar problem with your Springform pan, especially if it was one of the more expensive ones and not one of these, I'll call it a cheap one, which even though it didn't cost that much, should certainly have lasted a lot longer than it did.